Hey guys, what's up? It's Jay. We are back in the shop today for a fun video. I'm excited for this one. We had one of our subscribers post a comment asking what the power consumption was of some of the older tools. And my honest answer is I really didn't know. So today we're going to break that down. We're going to see what the difference is between a modern rigid table saw and my 1950s Craftsman table saw. So without any further ado, let's get to it. Alright guys, so we're going to do our bench test and we're going to compare these two beasts, see which one consumes more power. My guess is the rigid will consume more because it's a higher amperage, but I am not an electrical genius, so I'm really not sure. We have our little Craftsman power meter here that should give us the results we're looking for. We're going to run each one of these for about a minute, actually exactly a minute. We're going to time them. And then we're going to write the results down and see which one of these is chewing up more electricity. All right, let's get to it. All right, guys, so we got our little trusty electrical measuring device, the Craftsman, and I'll put a link in the description if any of you guys are interested in checking some of the power consumption in your house. Not endorsing this product yet because I don't even know how it works. But so first up will be the Craftsman, the 50s Craftsman. So we're going to run it, we're going to set our timer, we're going to run it for exactly 1 minute, and then we're going to record the results. And then we'll go to the rigid and do the same, and we'll see which one eats up more power. All right, guys, let's try this out. Alright guys, well, that was interesting. Both saws used the exact same amount of power, which was really surprising to me. I thought for sure the rigid being a higher amperage would use more, but so I guess the vintage tools, albeit, quieter and made out of metal, are energy hogs because it uses the same amount as, a 9 amp saw as the 15 amp saw. Pretty cool, and I want to thank Ernold for posting that question. This was a fun video to make. And now I have a power meter, so I'm going to go around my house and start checking the usage on everything, which I'll include the link below in the description for the power meter. And if anyone's looking for a really good job site saw, the rigid has been good to me over the years. I've had good luck with it. She does go with me on jobs. That's why the Craftsman is in the shop for the little stuff I do in here. But we want to remind you guys to subscribe, and if you haven't already, please hit the like button and ring the notification bell. That lets you know when new videos drop. Our next videos, a couple more of the videos we got coming, we are going to talk about Big Betty. I am going to make up a material list, and we're going to talk about how I built it, and then I'm going to make up a material list and try and draw up a quick set of plans that I'll share with you guys, because we've had a lot of interest in Big Betty. So that's coming up on Keys to the Shop. We're also going to talk about the dartboard enclosure build, which is a lot of fun. And actually tonight we're going to be throwing some darts. And maybe you guys can hang out with us one night when we're actually throwing some darts. All right, guys. Well, until the next time, thanks so much for tuning in. Share our channel with your friends that might be interested, and we will see you next time. Always create.